boss. Hey, how you doing?
I'm here working, man. What's up?
Yeah, I'm up at the hospital, man. They said I got pneumonia.
Oh, shit, man. You okay?
Yeah, it's real bad. I got a fever of 101,
Damn it, man.
and I've been coughing real bad. Real fatigued,
Wow, man, that sucks.
headache, vomiting. Yeah. When I hear something, I'll let you know.
Okay, man, you take it easy.
All right,
You
man.
just get better, okay?
Hey, thanks. All right, bye.
All right, man. I'll let the guys know.
I think he bought it.